Joe Brothers, Mana Hit, and today I'm going to teach you how to replace the shock absorber from an old rear bumper to a new rear bumper. Sorry about the process, it's pretty fast forwarded, but this is a rear bumper that was on before, and this is a shock absorber which was here, and it used to be on like this. And these two fat holes, when one went in here and another went in here, it just slides in. You really don't need to take this part and the rear bumper separately off, but I did it anyways. And to do that, there's like a little pin here, I'll show you, that looks like this, or you know, on it should look like this. You just get like a flat head and just yeet. The situation with my rear bumper shock absorber is I only need to take this part off. I'll show you. I only need to take this part, and this bracket can just stay on because my M Sport rear bumper already has the bracket right here. So now turn your plastic thing around, and now to take this part off from this bracket, you can see, as you can see, this fat Torx hole, bloody BMWs, fat Torx hole, and the size is T50. Okay, my situation is I only need this part, but if you need the whole thing with a bracket, you can just go behind here, and just take these two out. It's a little bit far to reach in there with my short little wrench, so let me get my extender. Now that this ugly Torx screw thingy mud jiggy is off, you can just take it off. Okay, now that the shock absorbers are off, make sure, I'm gonna keep this because I'm gonna reuse this on that one, on the bracket. But yeah, this is off. I live in Hamilton, New Zealand, so if you want it, this is for sale. I'll give it to you for anything, like even like a pie. So now to install the shock absorber. It's a bit hard to see, so sorry guys, but I'm gonna go underneath this lip thingy. Can you see? Yep, right here. Right here. Yep, and it's just gonna go in there and screw it on. To remove this part, the easiest way is to hold on to this part with like your left hand, and then get a flat head and just push out this whole thing out. Okay, now we have a better view of the hole. One is over here, and another one is over here. Okay, so the shock absorbers, they're not the same, okay? One of them just have a normal T end, another one has like a retarded T end, okay? And you know which one goes which bracket because one of them has a hole right here and the other one doesn't. So this one is T and this one is a munted T. Okay guys, I learned this the hard way. So the shock absorbers, like I told you, you know, if you have a close look, it's in an angle. And this is an angle, not because you bent it, but because there's a reason. This one's also on an angle to match the rear body's curvature. Okay, so this one is like this because it's gonna, you know, sit around like that. But this one has to be on like that. So it has to go, you know, be parallel to the body's shape. And I had it on like this. Let's install them. Okay, now I'll put back this cool stuff that I think we just took off on the bumper, and we're gonna put it back into the rear end. This part is straight up just slide on.
Maybe someday.
To make this stick onto the rear bumper real tighter, there's like these screw holes there, you know, just put any screws in. Lucky I had some. So yeah. Okay, now let's throw the rear bumper back into these holes. Okay, the bumper's pretty much in. All it needs is these to go in here, same as that side. And once it does, you're gonna tighten them up over here, and you're all good to go. Oh, and another thing, when you go to this side, can you see this rear bumper thing? Right, these two gold things, it has to line up here, and you screw this back on for extra strength. I don't know if your car has it, but my car has this, I don't know what even this is, but this is in the way of this. So I'm gonna take this off, and I think I'm just gonna hook this onto here. So this is just gonna be this. 10 mil. Okay, now this is all in right position, you know, so let's put this back in here and bolt these from this side. Yep, bolt here, bolt here, bolt, yep, here, yep. 30 mil. Okay, now what you want to do is get this a mill screw bit and go in here and attach from the rear bumper to the chassis. You know, these two holes. I already did one of them, so yeah, just do it in here. It's really hard. It's really better if you take the wheel off, but I can't right now because my side skirt's been put on. So yeah. Do the same on this side. Yep. Okay, I think this is the best I can tighten. Now that it's in, get the dirt guard tucked in, bumper, and then put these back on. Hey guys, sorry my battery died after that. So you just do the same on the other side, you know, get the dirt guard, put all the screws back in, and you know, just close the boot carpet thing down, and just put on back the trim pieces, the rear trim pieces, and you're just good to go. Yep. And that's how you install the rear bumper and the rear bumper shock absorber. If you liked it, I know it's kind of sketchy and sometimes you can't understand what I'm saying because I'm so sketchy. But yeah, if you liked it, just give it a like and a follow for more sketchy mods. Cheers, brothers.